Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix blue screen of death Windows 11 unmountable boot volume error. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click repair your computer. First method is click troubleshoot, click start up repair. Click advanced options. Second method is click troubleshoot, click command prompt. Type /fix mbr. Type /fix boot. If any error, use bootsex /nt60 sys. Type /fix boot. Type /rebuild bcd. Third method is click troubleshoot, click system restore. Select any restore point, click next. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.